We got some accessory upgrades, and we about to unbox them all together. I got my friend here, Marv, to help me. So come in the camera now, nigga. Feel me? Post it up on the ad, boy. Feel me? We're gonna do all this today, and I'll show you the end of it.
Why you got the extendo with it?
I don't know, but it's because of my beef is an extendo. That's
a dash cam?
Yeah, dash cam. And then we're gonna put that on together too. And then I have something else coming in tomorrow. So hold my head and let's get to it. Wait. This one worked like too far though. Rain guard, and then I got this. Hold on. Oh, okay.
That's the ultra Savoy boy.
Bro.
This shit is mad. Yo, I can see my soul through it.
Yo, what the fuck? Yeah, your shit fatter than mine. Pause. Hey, yo. Damn. Mine's too big. I want to put it close enough to the edge, but that shit don't end up flying off. You little homie. What the fuck are you talking about? Don't come for the gang, you heard? Clearly, I'm not an adult, so he has to do it. You heard? I'm about to just record like that and ask you.
Oh yeah. Elmo's world.
So should I start it from where it's like right here, or should I put it like on this glass?
It should, if it's in there perfect.
No, wait, it's not what you think. This is a big misunderstanding. You've got to believe me. Listen, I am telling you, you better listen to me, SpongeBob.
Yo, he's wildin', ref.
Personal file, 69. Offense. He was giving them the business.
He is wildin', ref. I just don't know if this is supposed to, like, the gooey stuff supposed to touch his gummy stuff.
Yeah, it's supposed
You
to
think so?
the whole thing.
I'm about to just line it up at the bottom and place it, no kizzy. What is a nigga telling me, nigga? What is a nigga telling me, nigga? Fuck is you took my me? On me. On me.
Say yeah for you and me.
Should I put more pressure on it?
Hell yeah, nigga, you want that shit flying, man. There be some evil niggas in the world, yo. Bro, if a nigga took his shit on somebody's hood. Bro, I'm telling you, I seen somebody take a shit on somebody's hood, bro.
There's no way.
You gotta be angry.
That's nasty, bro.
You gotta be angry for that.
Just chill. That's not crazy. Put a little more right there.
Nah.
You don't think so? Damn, nigga went crazy.
Yeah, everybody's like, yo, what the fuck are these bozos doing in the back?
I know they're like, these guys are so weird. We gotta move out of here, John.
John.
I just showered and I'm farting like crazy.
Stink, man.
You for real? You smell that shit? This thing got laid the fuck out.
This one looks like my dick. I should curve this exactly like it.
Shit.
Well, that shit almost died.
Yeah, I almost dropped that shit crazy. Nah, he's good.
It sound like we in the jungle, yo.
Whoa, he went bananas.
La 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 la. Elmo's world.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Crazy. It's so crazy. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. That shit look alright.
Yeah, boy.
Hell yeah, brother. Throw the little dash cam on. Fighting for my life. Oh, I'm freezing now. I see that. Oh yeah, we in here. Where should I put it though? What are you thinking?
It's always in the front here.
Dead in the middle, like right here?
Yeah. Cause you gotta get the.
Wait, oh no. Did I leave the camera out there? Oh no, I did. I suck at this shit. Alright, so we about to install our little rally armor. Mad excited. Yeah, I got it in black. Got my little trusty toolkit. I borrowed it from my job. They have to hold it down. I put enough work for them. So we gotta remove that. All these little bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6 down there. Bitch.
Next month, about the end of the month.
Come on.
Yeah, I'm definitely. I got some shit right now. I was gonna get yesterday, but
Got a little washer in there. I suck at this. Yes, sir. Alright, so this goes like this. You gotta put it in the back. Yes, sir. First one is on. There we go. Now for 3 more.
So excited! So excited!
I do whatever I want. We kind of that money for fun.
Marvin went to go get some scissors because I need this cut in the middle. We'll be right back with that.
Why is no beach? I took the top off. I'm dripping like hot sauce. Baby, give me that mean mouth.
Another washer. Another screw. Nah, I think it should be fine because these bolts, these nuts are like super tight. The next one, I'll probably be able to do it in like 0.5 type shit. Because now I know what to do. So it's gonna be pretty quick. I'm about to finish this in 0.5. I'm about to speed run this nigga. This is Elden Ring to me, nigga. In there? That's some fast shit. Boop. And then boop. Feel me?
This shit hit. Fuck.
You know what also hits? These strokes. What?
What did you say, nigga?
Father.
Dreaming. These are the aesthetic changes made. Finally all completed. This motherfucker's inside. For some reason, my dog broke them. Mud guards. Super nice. It's coming off already. I'm about to add more. Try to. Yeah, I did a couple things to the car. The next thing I'm gonna do is a small full change just to make it sound a little more aggressive. But other than that, man, I'm loving the car. I love the car. It's so much fun. I feel like I'm fulfilling my inner child. I look like a true Dominican right now, man. I also want to add like a camera back there to record like shifting. That's the next thing I want to do. So yeah, you already know. I'll see y'all in the next one. I'm gonna do another one, a 2-month review of the whole car, yada yada yada, or a 1-month review of the car. As always, love and peace, y'all. Drive safe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Top as fuck,